Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start inside Word, open the desktop app and sign in if prompted so settings sync. Once done, make sure Word is updated. Updates prevent missing features. Now go directly to File, then Options on Windows. On a Mac, choose Word, then Preferences. This path accesses proofing controls. Follow these steps now. Do not use WebWord because the desktop app exposes the full autocorrect and proofing options needed to enable auto spell check reliably. You're in proofing. This is where the automatic checks live. First, check the box labeled Check Spelling as you type so Word flags errors inline. Then enable Mark Grammar Errors as you type if you want grammar suggestions. Once those are on, click Auto Correct Options to add common fixes. This reduces repeated mistakes. Also look at language settings to confirm document language because spell check follows that. Make sure exceptions don't disable checks for the current document or style. You're nearly done. Save your settings and restart Word to ensure changes take effect. Then type a deliberate misspelling to verify red squiggles appear. If they do, auto spell check is active. If you still see nothing, open Review, then Language, and set proofing language to confirm the correct language and that do not check spelling or grammar is unchecked. Finally, if issues persist, run Office Repair or disable add-ins because those often block proofing. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.